Hello guys, hello and greetings from Kyiv. My name is Sergey Uzlov, and did you know that Kyiv is a very ancient city, and it's more than 1,500 years old, and in front of me is a monument to legendary founders of Kyiv. Kyiv was established, it was founded by three brothers, Kyiv, Stchek and Horiv, and their sister Lybid. I don't know who is who, but one of these boys is Kyiv, and Kyiv was named after their oldest brother, and this is probably Stchek and Horiv, and their sister Lybid is over here. Lybid. And on distance you can see river of Dnipro, the biggest and main river of Ukraine. And guys, please, I have a great favor to ask of you. Please subscribe my channel, because of on this channel I have less than 50 subscribers only, and I wanna conduct my live streams from this channel, and I need as minimum 50 subscribers. And please join me to my live streams. Hello, and see you in Kyiv. Both in the capital and on my streams.